Hi my beautiful sunshines, my beautiful dolls. Welcome back to this your channel. Thank you so much for pressing play. On this occasion is part 2 of basic 3D flower with 5 petals, except on this little flower it's the pointy little leaves that I'll be showing you. And it's the same principle, imagining a little gingerbread man or a little doll or the 5-point star. On this occasion, I'm going to be picking up a smaller bead for the flowers. And then I'm imagining the head being slant, like a little thing sideways. So I'm going to put the head right there. And then I'm going to pull up and then I'm going to pull down. And then just kind of close the tips, and sometimes when you pull they separate. So I'm just kind of close the ones on top. And then I push and open kind of like the center of the petal only, and close and continue to close the tips. So I push and open and then I close the tip. And like I said in the other video, if you want to go ahead and press pause or start over and try and do this with me, I'd really love to see your work. Go ahead on Instagram, tag me or DM me the picture, or on my Facebook page as well. I would love to see your work. And then again, that's the head, so I'm gonna imagine one of the little hands. And I do the same thing, I go back and forth on this one. I'll go right, left, until I'm done. I am also showing you what not to do on this flower as well. Notice it's more open, they're not touching each other. So you gotta pay attention to that detail. Also, you could add little dots with polish or a pencil or something. That with these ones has to be something light because they're pretty light, they're pretty open. But you could guide yourself with that as well. But imagining that little doll is a lot of help. So I go ahead and push on both sides and then I close the tips. And I'm using the same colors as the other video, the part 1. And there you go, there's my 2 ones, and then I'm moving on to the next hand, my 2 petals. And why I say hand is because I'm imagining a little doll. So it's smaller beads, like I said. They are also a little more humid, they're a little more wet than they were with the other one. So I place it there at the angle I want it to go. On this occasion, since it's easier for me, I'll pull down a little bit and then I'll pull up. I'm still not perfect with this flower right here, but I think it looks really elegant and really pretty. I like to use it more during the holidays than anything. It's really nice. And it's a good guide for when later you want to do a ponzietta. So I have more of my colleagues' glitter mixes. I know I haven't been doing the raffle weekly. It's just that I've been really busy. I want to be uploading videos, so that's why. So there I'm showing you is to be one leg and then the other leg. But I go ahead and place the pearl more inside than outside to show you what happens when you don't separate the petals enough. So I'm going to put it more inside, as you can see. I'm even pushing it more in so you can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and shape it as well as the other ones. So the giveaway, I'm going to be doing 2 more on this one. I'm going to be doing it once a month. I'm working on doing the video now because I write down all of your comments. This time I'm going to be starting from the green set until now, until this video probably. And no, not till this video because it's uploads. Yeah, until this video. And I will be then doing the raffle on a Saturday or Sunday. And yeah, the giveaway. So as you can see, it's 2 to the center, you see, and that only gives me space. Doesn't even give me really space for another one because it looks deformed, as you can see. So I go ahead and remove it. Just go ahead and remove the excess. Not the excess, the excess. Not the excess. I removed all my excess too, but anyways. So again, you gotta imagine one leg here and one leg here. And they have to be really separate because these petals are not stuck together. So that's where they need to go. So I go ahead and move on and finish the petals. Do the same thing, small, more wet bead. Apply it. I really don't wait for this one to get consistency because of the shape. I pull inwards and then I pull outwards. Like I was telling you guys, I'm not 100% perfect on my 3D, but I'm showing you guys what would help me in expectations of being able to help you. You guys could take what helps you and discard what doesn't, but if you're having trouble with the 3D, this is how it helped me, the tips that helped me. So there you go. Again, now I'm going to be doing the other leg. Always, when you're wiping your brush, doing it in a twisting motion so it keeps that point to help you do the 3D on the nail. So as I was saying, I'll be doing that video. It's just really time consuming, and with the registrations and school starting soon, it's really been taking up my time, but I promise. And if I have enough, I might do even 3, depending on where the ladies are from, because I do charge more for the international. As you can see, I press the sides, and then I pull and close. And then on the center, you could go ahead and add a rhinestone. These look really pretty with the rhinestones or with caviar beads, but you could also put a small color bead in the center. I really like how it looks with the rhinestones or caviar beads. On this occasion, I'm gonna go ahead and add a rhinestone, or I mean not a rhinestone, it's a crystal, with my favorite resin from Exotic Nails for crystals. I apply some in the center and I go ahead and add the crystal. And there you have it. So now I'm going to be doing a 3-petal one on the side, same imagination, and kind of imagine someone peeking through a doorway, head on top, one arm and one leg. So I will start with the head on top, right here, kind of like peeking through. And then you bring it down and pull it up, and I do it the same way as I did the other one. And I'll let you see. I hope this video helped you guys. This is the tip that really helped me in my workshops. I don't know which one it was. I know, well, I've only gone to Exotic Nail workshops, but I don't remember what teacher it was, but it really helped me, and I hope it helps you guys in some way. And again, if you guys decide to work along with me in this video, I would love to see your work. Go ahead and tag me or DM me on Instagram or on my Facebook page. Links will be down below. So yeah, remember I have the proposal for a giveaway. I'll try to link that down below as well. If you guys could share so we could reach our goal for me to announce the giveaway, I'd greatly appreciate it. And also mixes I have for sale. I have 5 left. If you would like one, go ahead and either inbox me on Facebook, Instagram, or my email down below, or comment down below if you want me to email you. It's through PayPal only. I wasn't holding, but if you want me to hold, I did it with someone. You could give me half, and then when you're able to give me the other half, and then I'll send it to you. Now the shipping is $370 if you want tracking, and it's $204 if you do not want tracking. So that's up to you. So let me know. And then I'll do, like right here, I'm doing the other little foot. I did a head and a hand kind of like peeking through. And then I end up adding a crystal and then the gel finish. So I hope you ladies like and you like the end result of this video. Thanks again for being subscribed to this your channel. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the little bell to get notified of any of my videos in the future. And please comment down below. I think that's all. Yeah. Go ahead and check out my other videos and comment them as well. I would love to see that. And I spelled all my crystals there, as you can see. I would love to see your comments and see if you're new. And again, thanks for watching. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. God bless you so much. And till next time. Bye. Love ya. Hola mis hermosos, solo recordándole que aún tengo algunas colecciones disponibles que vienen con este arte incluido y aparte otras sorpresitas. La colección cuesta $24 más envío. Si están interesadas, mi correo electrónico estará abajito.